In the AI model, how Python library search data patterns from the data lake as per deep neural networks, DNN. To search for data within a data lake using Python libraries and deep neural networks, DNNs, you'd typically follow these steps. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. 1. Accessing the data lake, utilize Python libraries like Boto3 for AWS S3, Azure Storage Blob for Azure Blob Storage, or HDFS for Hadoop Distributed File System to connect to the data lake storage. 2. Querying data. Once connected, you might use specific Python libraries, example pandas, NumPy, Dask, to query or load data files based on your search criteria or patterns. For instance, if your data is in CSV format, Pandas provides functions to read CSV files, pdread_CSV. 3. Data pre-processing. Pre-process the data to prepare it for use in DNNs. This step involves cleaning, transforming, and formatting the data. Libraries like scikit-learn or TensorFlow can assist in pre-processing tasks like normalization, encoding categorical variables, or splitting data into training and validation sets. 4. Utilizing deep neural networks, you can build, train, and use DNN models using libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Keras. These libraries offer various neural network architectures, optimization algorithms, and functionalities to design, train, and evaluate deep learning models. 5. Searching data using DNNs. DNNs themselves can be used for tasks like classification, regression, recommendation systems, etc. For instance, if you're searching for specific patterns within the data, you might employ techniques like image recognition, natural language processing, NLP, or anomaly detection, depending on the nature of the data and the task. 6. Iterative process. Often, working with DNNs involves an iterative process of training, evaluating, and refining models based on the results obtained. This may require tweaking the model architecture, adjusting hyperparameters, or enhancing the quality of the training data. Remember, the specifics of the process may vary depending on the nature of your data lake, the type of data it contains, and the particular tasks or objectives you aim to achieve with the DNNs. Always ensure compliance with data privacy and security regulations when accessing and processing data within a data lake. Thank you.